How many times can we tell ourselves we are about to change, while deep down, we are still avoiding the moment where change starts asking something from us? Because planning feels clean, in our mind, we can build the perfect version of our future. We can imagine the routine, the discipline, or the new version of ourselves. Nothing feels messy yet, because we are still imagining the version where everything works perfectly. That is why it feels like progress. It gives the brain the reward of becoming different without the weight of actually doing something different. And that is where a lot of us get trapped. The common idea is that we are waiting because we are not ready. We tell ourselves that once the feeling comes, we will finally start. That sounds logical, because nobody wants to move while their mind feels heavy, unclear, or resistant. But the truth is that the feeling usually comes after we start. It does not come before. The brain keeps waiting for proof, but the proof is created by action. Planning can make us feel like we are almost becoming different, but nothing really changes until the idea leaves our mind and becomes something we actually do. The real shift begins when we stop treating our feelings like commands. Feelings can manipulate our state. They can make action look impossible, heavy, or pointless. But becoming different means doing the thing while the old version of us is still trying to pull us back. And maybe nobody is coming to push us. Maybe nobody is going to rescue us from our own pattern. That sounds harsh, but it is also freeing, because it means one uncomfortable action today can interrupt the whole cycle. If we keep chasing the idea of change, we can spend years running after a version of ourselves that never becomes real. And the uncomfortable truth is that this video already gave you the information you need to take action. But if you are still addicted to the idea of changing, you will probably look for another video or another explanation, because some part of you still believes there is a magical moment where change finally feels easy. But that moment is not coming. There is no magical point where change suddenly feels easy, clean, and comfortable. So the choice is yours. You can keep searching for another feeling, or you can start moving while the resistance is still there, because it will always be there.